Have you ever made a track that you were genuinely proud of? Maybe a remix, an original song, or even an AI-generated track, and then hit the same exact problem. The music is great, but you have no visuals, and creating a music video from scratch is expensive, time-consuming, and honestly a pain. Even for me, the editing, storyboarding, finding footages, syncing cast to the beat, it's a lot. But what if you could turn any song into a fully edited, beat-synced music video in literally one click? This is Freebeat AI, and honestly, this might be one of the most impressive AI music tools I've tested so far. Not just because it generates visuals, but because it actually understands music, the riff, song structure, drops, transitions, and it uses all of that to generate full music videos up to 6 minutes long. And today I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. So let's get into it. The first thing I love about Freebeat is how frictionless the workflow is. Without software downloads, uncomplicated editing timeline, and no learning curve. You just paste in a link. So it supports Suno, Udio, YouTube, Spotify, and SoundCloud. Or you can upload your own audio direct. For this demo, I am using a track I made on Suno. Paste the link, now watch this. I select storytelling mode, hit generate, and that's basically it. If auto mode is enabled, the AI agent handles everything. It analyzes the music, syncs the visual to the beat, adds the camera motion, structures the scenes, and edits the video automatically. You can see the final result here.
I miss you in the morning, I miss you in the rain, I miss you like a shadow that forgot how to stay. I keep your empty chair right where you used to be. I miss you.
Look at that full music video, beat sync, transitions, consistent visual style, cinematic pacing, and the craziest part that this took just few minutes. Not hours, not days, literally minutes. This alone can save creators an absolute amount of time each day, creating such outputs within just one click. One-click generation is cool, but Freebeat gets much more interesting when you explore the different modes, because it's not just one type of video generator, it's more like an AI music video toolkit with lots of modes and features. Let me show you a few use cases. The first use case is singing MV mode. If you want a virtual artist or performance video, this mode is wild. You can generate artist-style performance shoot with highly accurate lip syncing. It supports multiple languages too, so whether you're making pop, rap, K-pop, or international content, this gives your track an actual face. And visually, it feels much closer to a real artist video.
But they don't hear your mind tonight, still breathing through the damage done. That means your fight ain't over, not once. And if your world falls down tonight, I'll be the voice that cuts the silence. You're not invisible.
The second case, the abstract video mode. If you make EDM, lo-fi, ambient, trap, or electronic music, this is probably your mode. Instead of narrative storytelling, you get genre-aware abstract visual. Color pulls with the beat, sharps, shapes morph with the read, drops feel bigger visually. It basically turns your track into an immersive visual experience. The third use case is cover videos and social content. Need visual for Spotify Canvas or TikTok, let's say Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. Freebeat can instantly output in multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. So your content is already optimized for distribution without resizing headaches and no extra editing, just ready to pop. The third step, we do have the advanced customization. Now if you're more hands-on, this is where things get fun. Turn auto mode off and suddenly you unlock much more creative control over your hands. Now you can fine-tune story structure, the pacing, the scene design, the visual style, and mood and lighting. Basically storyboard level control. You do have the character consistency. You can even upload your own characters, which is huge because maintaining visual consistency across scenes is usually a nightmare in AI workflow. Here, Freebeat keeps character much more consistent across shoots. It even supports dual character scenes, so you can build actual interactions. This style selection. You can choose from styles like cinematic, anime, realistic styles, fantasy. So whether you want a gritty music video or a dreamy anime aesthetic, you can control the entire visual identity. This shot-by-shot refinement, and this is important. If one scene isn't working, you don't need to restart the whole video. You can regenerate individual clips, refine specific shots, and adjust things scene by scene. That's a massive workflow advantage for all of us because it means iteration is fast, not painful. The lyric captions. You can also add beat-synced lyric captions directly inside the platform, which makes this even better for social-first music production. The fourth step, we do have the Toolbox ecosystem. The Beat isn't just one product, it has an entire creator ecosystem built around the music content. Over 20 AI tools, things like music to dance, music to lyrics, lyric to video generator, lyric video generator, short form visual tools. Basically, if your workflow starts with Udio, there's probably a tool here for it to generate videos as from lyrics. This makes Freebeat useful for both serious creators optimizing production and for the beginners experimenting for fun. So your process and workflow is a lot much simpler with Freebeat AI. Overall, Freebeat AI is genuinely changing what's possible for musicians and creators. It's fast, it's creative, and most important, it removes the biggest bottleneck in music production, the visual production. Now you can go from a track to a finished music video within one click, without needing an editor, animator, or a production team behind. So that's really powerful. If you want to try it yourself, you do have the links below in the pinned comment and the description box, so you are able to try generating your own AI music video. And if you are great to pro, use my code for 10% off. Also tag your creation in comments with hashtag Freebeat AI. I'd love to see what you made. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Wish you a wonderful experience within Freebeat AI music generator.